Atomic Wallet is a non-custodial wallet that supports over 300 cryptocurrency assets. All funds are saved on the blockchain, and it's super easy to top up the wallet. Just send assets to your Atomic address from any other wallet. Withdraw it from an exchange or buy crypto with a credit card right in Atomic Wallet interface. Just click once to copy your public key, go to your other wallet, click Send, paste the address, set the amount, continue, check all info and click the Send. The same way to withdraw it from the exchange like Binance, for example. Click on the Withdrawals button, set the asset, paste the Atomic address, set the amount, submit it and confirm. You can use your Atomic address to buy crypto on any services or buy it with a credit card right in Atomic Wallet interface. Click on the Buy Crypto tab in the left menu. Fill out the billing info. Verify your email and phone number. Enter the payment details. Attach the scan of your document and click Upload. Now your payment is being processed. That's it! Download the app at atomicwallet.io and enjoy your assets being safely managed.